Okay, hello. I had to go to bed last night, so I had to do this, but I'm still gonna add them in the same video. No part twos. So go back to your CapCut, and if you left off something, yeah, just go back. And I forgot to do something because I kind of messed up. So hold on. Okay, so copy me. So click the plus, and then go to photos, and then go to your back hair, and then add that. Then overlay it. Let me show you the other ones. Oh yeah, and size it the way you want. Oh yeah, and don't forget to do this part, the chroma key. But just, if you have any character that has like this color up here, yeah, like just, it's gonna be, you gotta like, do it barely. Normally I would say 21. 21 would be good. Now add the torso. I'm sorry, I'm sick. Now add one of your shoulders. I'm doing this one. And yeah, if yours turns black, it's fine. Don't worry. If it's just black, just overlay it. Then it'll work. By the way, I suggest already start putting the body parts on. Now do the arm for that one. So it would be this one, I'm thinking. Yeah. And now do the exact same thing on the other side. What I mean by that is do the other shoulder and the other arm. Oh yeah, and keep going until it just doesn't do this. I think I already said that in the other. I think I said that earlier, but yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, if yours turns out really bad, you can blame me all about it in the comments section. I'm not good at it. I'm a beginner. By the way, I'm doing this with my finger, so it is very sloppy. Yeah, and if you're doing a waving animation, do what she's doing right here. Like that, see? And then just do that. And then you'll learn how to reverse soon. Okay, so next is the thigh. Oh, and do the exact same thing with the other one. Okay, guys, so with this one, you're supposed to flip it. Let me just figure out how to do that for 1 second. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, add both of the thigh legs. You don't really need the feet and the shoes. I don't know. And and if you have a skirt, you could add a skirt, or else go to the head. I am animating the mouth, so mine is going to look different, but you took a screenshot of your own head. Not just the whole head, and you could just place that on. For me, I'm going to take a little struggle. Hopefully, you were following how I did it, because then your head will go on like this. One time, it just went behind the head. I think it was because I did an overlay. I couldn't remember. But, yeah. Place your head there, and, yeah. Okay, once you're done with that, I'm going to do, something like that. Okay, so find your, shoulder, and, you click the shoulder. I'm going to do it with this one. You'd come over here. If you know what the undo button is, good. But if you don't, it's, right next to the play button on the right side. And it has a diamond plus if you click something. So click that. And then you move the shoulder. And then to where you want it. And then do the exact same thing with this one. Hold on, wait. Okay, so if you're moving them out, just like take photos. I don't know. Sorry. I don't really know how to like animate mouths, so okay guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do tweening. I just looked up a video, so let me just look at something real quick. Okay, I couldn't figure out the name. So basically, sorry, just get your character and go to body, click the hashtag at the top, click body sheet 1, then just take a picture, and then you do like this. Okay, and then you just do each body part with each one. So do that with all of them. I'm gonna go finish it up. Bye. Okay, so I'm kind of doing this for one part. I'm doing this because I have mouths to edit, so yeah. Normally you just do the whole head. By the way, don't mind the background noises. I forgot to mention your background screen has to be green, blue, or pink, but they have to be neon. So neon colors of those. Forgot to mention, I forgot to mention, I can't remember, I'm not good at remembering. But I think I forgot to mention, do the whole head normally if you're not going to animate the mouth, but do it separate. I'll show you if you are going to animate the mouth. You go to the left-hand corner and type in change. It'll like it'll change like that. So, yeah. Or if your outfit's like this person I made, haven't thought of a name, please give me name suggestions. If you go into here, you see those wings. If you click the next one, click that, you won't see the wings. And so that means if you have like extra, if you have like different stuff. By the way, this is on Gotcha Live. Look up Bible Visitors for Gotcha Club. You have to go over here and click Body Sheet too, so then you can do that. But yeah, get into CapCut. You can only use CapCut, like it says in the title. Click New Project. Go to photos. I already have one saved, but you can take a photo of this. Take a photo and add this. So now let me just. So basically, you just click the plus, and then add this, and then click overlay, and then add all the other stuff. By the way, if yours have black bars, copy me like right now. So click transform, edit, and then click resizer, edit, and then you want to click this, but if it doesn't fit, just don't. By the way, if you like try to do like the thing with the black bars and it doesn't fit, wait, no, I already said that, sorry, just don't do it. If you weren't paying attention, okay, there. Okay, once you're done doing that, go to remove background or whatever it's called. It has a little person. It has like the circle with like dots or like squares around it. Click chroma key and find wherever it says green. Then go until it doesn't like do that, and it looks really good. And then do that with all of them. Okay, now you go over to like one of them. You can move it and like make the body. So, Editor Gabby here. I just realized I messed that whole thing up. So I'm sorry, whoever was copying me. I am so sorry. Yeah. Editor Gabby here again. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you, Mel, for inspiring me to do this video and actually help me learn how to tween. If you want to, you can actually see my short video on my shorts. But, yeah. Sorry, guys. I had a call. So, I just did that. You can animate hands. Let me just fix something. Okay, if you use the diamonds, they should, like, move. Like, it's not that smooth. So, like, if that happens, if this happens, all you gotta do is move it to the correct spot. You saw that? Right there. You gotta fix that too. I accidentally clicked the wrong thing for the billionth time. But you just gotta fix that. Let me fix all the stuff. Like I said, if you're using your fingers, this might get a bit messy. There. Okay, so I finished it. So there. You're welcome, and remember, just follow those steps and don't forget the diamonds and move the body parts. It's pretty simple. But I've had to look for so many videos to do this. Thank y'all. And also thank you guys for 322 subscribers. Honestly, it's been my dream to actually be someone and have 322 followers like following me. Thank you.